Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Another reaction video, Kemari reaction. So I'm back again reacting to Anna, and this is El Mintio in Brazil, and I think I reacted to Paraki. I hope they don't block that one. And that rock clothing setting and everything is amazing to me. I love this version. I'm loving this concert so far based off that one video. Wow. She was in her bag. Dum 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 dum. She was competing with these American girls. Dum 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 dum. She do love her good dramatics. I'm gonna give her that. Dun, 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 yes, all black. It's kind of funny because I knew someone who got married I used to work with. I don't really talk to my coworker like that, but I was invited to a wedding. I don't do wedding, so she forced me to go into her wedding, and I went there in all black with a veil over my face. And she was like, "I can't believe you wore it to my wedding." I said, "Yes, because it's a rest in peace moment. You're no longer single, so your freedom's gone." But it was just so funny. I wore that all black to the wedding with a veil over my face because I really didn't want to be there. I was like, I don't do weddings. I don't have time for that. I think it's boring. I will to the reception if I feel like it, but I don't like going weddings. Funerals, I could go to funerals for like 30 minutes. Like, just bury this person. Let's go. Come on, girl. Come on. She is coming with the vocals tonight. Bitch. One thing about the fans in Brazil, they show up and they show out. I recommend when they're doing in the next concert, whatever they're gonna do in the future for the RBZ coming in the year 2022, I recommend she perform this song as a solo. I will gag. I want her all black, like she's going to a funeral. Even if she have blonde hair, I want all black. I recommend this song to be on the list. Come on, she was in her bag. Her passions for art, singing, dramatics, and performance really shows. Dude, come give it to us, bitch. She is singing. I love this look. Come on, girl, you better channel your Beyonce. Dude. Yeah, I know you. I love me a good guitarist. And right there, guys, over. I want you guys to flood their Instagram page, flood their Twitter page and Facebook page, that this song should be a live solo performance by her in the next upcoming event or whatever they do. I like this song. She was in for blood. This song, the performance and everything was amazing. I won't pin these group members against each other, but when it comes to performance, she's a beast. She's a beast when it comes to performing, and this is very great. So thanks to one who reacted this. I really do appreciate it. I need to go listen to her album. But for everybody else, what do you guys want me to react to? Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. We'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Bye.